right, I will show y'all what we got so far. There are a lot of people without power. Excuse me, sorry. I've already shoveled like 3 times. I don't know the total accumulation. I know that we've gotten like 5 inches today and more yesterday. Don't fall. Tried to dig the cars out. Look at what's happened to my car. So, but look, it's like that's just ice. It's an ice shelf. So I did give up trying to do that. Neighborhood streets are still terrible. Arborvitae is just covered in ice. And the ice I'm standing on now is thick enough to hold. Wait, I spoke too soon. Good thing I shoveled my sidewalk. We still have power. I know a lot of people don't. Thank God we didn't lose power, and I don't even want to say it because I don't want to jinx it. It is beautiful. It's so quiet. Something about the snow is like sound absorbing. And everything is just covered in like chandelier ice. So it is pretty. That's about how much. All right, well, that is my cue to get out. Stay safe, everyone. Peace.